Welcome to Pentair Australia and New Zealand. My name is Min, and I head up the production team and lean manufacturing project. Today, I want to introduce the story of our team. When I first arrived at Pentair in September 2011, I was surprised by the state of production area and the deadline to move in 9 months. Machinery, equipment, and processes were out of date and unevaluated. I discovered some people used to waste time doing non-essential tasks such as waiting, walking around, looking for, and double handling materials. For me, the work ethic of some employees in production was too low. The space of the old production site was 860 square meters, and I found that the new production space at the new site will be 420 square meters. We did not have an engineer to support and help us to manage the transition. At times, I felt overwhelmed by the problems to solve within 9 months. It looked impossible to streamline our process, procedures, and production area in 9 months. But then I remembered that my wife could give birth in 9 months. So there was enough time for me to birth a new production area. I spent a bit of time to think of the best way to overcome these challenges. These thoughts even entered my dreams. I was dreaming about Pentair. No, it was not a nightmare. I realized the best option for us to implement could be summarized in the acronym iCAT. iCAT means improving our company as a team. It is part of the R&D process to inspire people to share and visualize any ideas. We scaled three-dimensional modeling while using recycled factory waste, including cardboard, styrofoam, and paper. It helps us to consider options at all employee levels when making a plan for the new cell to avoid potential problems when it came to implementing the final plan. The iCAT exercise using a three-dimensional model helped us achieve our goal. We were amazed at the cost-saving ideas that we received from various employees. As a result of iCAT, we have had 4 major achievements. Firstly, we upgraded Onga water switch cell in 3 months from R&D, designed the new cell, sourcing materials from overseas to complete the implementation of the cell at a low cost of $1,980. We will soon be successful in reaching our goal of increasing productivity by 50%. Secondly, we combined 4 major assembly cells into 2 within a period of only 4 months without employing any contractor or engineer. This combining helped us free up space and eliminate unnecessary processes, unnecessary equipment, unnecessary movement, and unnecessary transport. Thirdly, we have developed a new system of JIT, just in time, with newly designed trolleys and containers, while providing components to each cell with exact quantity on time. It will help us to have inventory accuracy and flexibility of labor. Fourthly, we standardized the design of cartons in order to simplify the process and eliminate unnecessary equipment. This standardization also helped us free up space and eliminate maintenance cost of old equipment.
Very impressed with the factory. Our factory at the moment is the complete opposite to this, actually. We're going through the same things, but just especially in that production office down there, we went down there, I really got a sense of you know, the people actually bought into it, and the work was their ideas. It wasn't just something that was pushed down on them.
You can see that your people are empowered. You can see that they're allowed to make mistakes. You can see that they can change things. They're allowed to do that and come to you with different ideas. So you can see that in the passion. Even though we didn't see the people here, you can see out on the floor that that's happening. It's good to see that they've been able to get rid of a lot of waste. They've been able to halve their floor space using some of the waste to build models. That's fantastic.
You know, we do an incredible amount of, you know, management by fad, of continuous improvement by fad, and nothing lasts. And I can see it here being sustainable.
In total, we have been able to reduce the production space from 860 square meter to 420 square meter in 9 months, while keeping 95% production capability of the old site. It is awesome. We are truly innovative people. I want to acknowledge Stephen and Christina for their full support. My thanks also goes to Mike Carenti at Delavan, Heather, Robert, and Jerry for their advice. In particular, Pichette, and 2 internship students, Matt and Jay Ho, for staying with me until 10 p.m. to complete the Onga water switch project for a week. Lastly, my thanks to Brenda, Francis, Nathan, and all the production people for sharing their great ideas to improve our company as a team. In this economy, we can continue to grow as a company, not by just being good enough. Being good in Pentair is not good enough anymore, because we can be better through small, constant, achievable improvements. This is called iCAT, improving our company as a team. Let's move forward together and prosper.